There now follows an appeal on behalf of those who suffer from speech impediments.
Good evening. E window, how many if you rollies that lits a popple on this country, or in nubile to pronounce the English language? It's a bog problem. A very, very bog problem. Imagine of your coon the difficulties of ovary dilo far such a parson. That spoke impodiments can be carved. Emisif, whence Sofort from such a dofact. But if the inly throw wax of therapoi, aching macmisif in the start perfectly. Mitch Mini is nodded ferrisage. Place Gov gonerously. Send in notions in the firm of mini or chicks to the following address. Spoach Impodiment Find, Hove, Slothtrot, Linden, Worst Wind. You just repute that? Lot? In Sigmund Freud's I Record. God nigger.